Next is I will discuss the main features of our product application called shared shopping list with the important parts of the code. First, I will show the home screen Dart. This screen is responsible for displaying all shopping lists created by the user. Here, the user can create a new shopping list by clicking the Create button. The application used to dynamically display all shopping lists on the screen. This allowed the interface to automatically update whenever a new list is added. Next is List Detail Screen Dart. This screen handles the product inside the shopping list. Here the user can add products together with their quantity and price. This function is responsible for adding new items into selected shopping lists and updating the displaying data. Next is the Share QR Screen Dart. This screen is used for the QR code sharing feature. The application generates a QR code that contains the shopping list information. Other user can scan the QR code to access the shared shopping list quickly and conveniently. So, sa madaling salita, ito yung pwede siya i-scan ng another user para makita ng another user yung kung ano ang laman ng new list mo at kung ano yung mga product na nasa loob. Last is Shopping List Provider. This provider manages application data and handles updates between the user interface and the stored shopping list data. It's help keep the application organized and allow real-time updates in the UI. Overall, the application allow user to create shopping lists, add products with quantity and price, and share lists using QR code through a simple and user-friendly interface.